Hello everybody to lesson 14 of CSS for attractive design. In this lesson we'll know how to control links in CSS. We have understand in HTML course how to create a link in HTML. Now we will know how to manipulate and edit that style of the CSS. So here we will go and see what we have in that styles. For example, here I will create a link, normal link and I will write here, this is normal link. Okay, great. So let's have also a href, which means the link that we will go to. I would say SAFHATECH.com, which is our website. So refresh, it's a normal text, a normal link. Great. Let's duplicate that thing. Then we will create another another link, which would be this is CSS styled link. So this is CSS styled link. Here we have in the styled or CSS styled link, we have some elements. So what we could create, I will create an ID so that I could control that link with the ID. For example, I'll create here CSS link. Great, see that, and let's call that link, let's see, hash, and call that element. And here we have, you should know before we start that we have 4 elements that we could control, 4 attributes, which is the link is activated, or the link is hovered, or the link is visited, or the link is without any affecting. So we will start with link without any effect. So let's see, the color would be, for example, green. Great. Then we have the other thing, which is let's duplicate that code, so for time. The second thing, which would be the link is visited. So if the link is visited, we'll change the color, for example, to cyan. Okay. Then we have link is hover. When you hover the text of the link would be changed for yellow, no problem. Then we have the last one, which is link is activated. So the color will be changed, for example, to orange. Great. Let's save it and see what we have here. Refresh. So here is a normal link. Okay, when we hover the normal link, there is no effect. Here is the link that we have that we created. Okay, this link is created and we have style for that. So the first link, it's normal link, is green. It's here, it's a normal link without any affecting. Okay, so we could affect that thing and change it now. If we hover at the link, it will be changed to yellow. So let's like that thing. If we hover it, okay, it would be changed to yellow. Great. So if we clicked, it would change to brown. When we click, now it's clicked. Okay, when we click, means we activate it. It would change to orange, not brown, orange. Okay. Here, if we click that link, which is the normal, it would change to red. Great. But here it would change for orange. Great. When we click the link, it would change, which is the last one, which would visited, which means visited. When visit that link, it would change to cyan. Great. So but now if we click, it would go to another website. So we should only do that and give it what? Give it hash, means all empty link. Save it. Then refresh the page here. So when we visit the link, it should be like that. So this is the normal. When we click the link, this is the other link that we have it. When we visit it, it would look like cyan. Great. So this is the lesson of the links. I think it's easy. So there's no difficulties, and there's so important point that you should consider when you deal with links. The order should be like that. First of all, write the link, then visited, then hover, then activate. If you combine them, you write this here or over, and I don't know what, they will not work. They will, it will work, but you will find some problems. You will see that when you hover, it doesn't show the color that you need. What's the problem? The problem is because the order is not right. So first put the link, which is that code, then visited, then the hover, then activate. From top to down, link, visited, hover, activate, or active. So this is so important point that you should consider when you write the CSS code. it's enough for this lesson, and see you in the next. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, give a thumb up, and see you in the next. Bye.